It is our hope that the Vitozol train will help promote adoption and donations to animal rescues. According to Rescue Rehab SA, approximately 1 million cats and dogs are being euthanized in South Africa every year. We thought long and hard about how we can help promote this cause, something that would create hope around this very sad subject. We are a brand with a social purpose. That is why we are shedding light on a genuine need for animal adoption. Our best defense mechanism against this is animal rehabilitation and adoption. Join us in making a difference by donating to an animal shelter near you, or even adopting a doggie. Be sure to be on the lookout for the Vitozol train, as we will showcase some doggies